Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 BMW 428i. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has fewer than 40,000 miles. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a power convertible top, fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and remote keyless entry. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.